Friday. Like I said, it's NFP. If you don't like trading news, you can just say, fuck it, I'm not doing it. But if you this is your thing, why not? You can always risk it, yeah. I was looking for a buy earlier on, but I'm seeing a very nice reduction to the previous FVG. The price spiked onto, but obviously I know what NFP is all about. Fake outs, right? You're gonna find a way to fake you. So what we're gonna be doing today is only analysis, and I will do post NFP signal. What do I mean? Once the initial gra is over, I'm gonna go in for a fucking trade. Yeah, two things involved, yeah. I'm looking at this power FVG. We have an hour for 3 minutes for this to close, but obviously I'll have to scale down to the 2 hours to actually see what that power FVG is doing. If I see any invalidation to that FVG still. Well, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. This is a particular FVG here. Let me just put out that imbalance for you entirely, so you see it clearly. Yeah. That whole area from 50 65 area-ish, yeah? I've not had any solid candle close below that level, so that's why I'm keying that level in. What am I looking for? It's pretty simple, something pretty simple. I'm looking for this. Earlier on, I will scale down lower. If I see any candle close like here, probably get a retest to this level. Sell the fuck out of it, right? That's if you're gonna go and sell as well. Ultimately, with the way prices have been building up since yesterday, and my knowledge from trading NFPs, I feel like this is gearing up to be a buy. But why am I actually also looking for sales? Because obviously you can see here on this area here, we have a very nice imbalance of which no candle close have been able to go above it in the past 2 days or so. My daily candle is giving me a clear FPR formation. Am I being blind by not following it? No. It's a daily FVG also in that 4-hour FVG that particularly price is rejecting from also. So what am I expecting to see? I might not wait to react to that level, but having been this 4-hour FVG already held, when it's like currently the time is like, I think it's a few minutes there, yeah, about 20 minutes to 10 minutes NFP or 12 minutes NFP. If you look at the 15 minutes time frame, I'm only going to be looking. The price has been doing a sideways movement in between those zones. Yeah, there's an FVG above. There's also one above. There's also FVG below. Also one above. Yeah. If 15 minutes candle is giving me EMAs at 57, I probably will trust it. So what am I probably looking for NFP? Probably price do this week in here, fall back there, tap in 77 again. Get the fuck out of this level. This is what I want to see NFP do. No lower than 44, which is the previous zone after which, yeah. If by any means I see a break below this FVG 4-hour FVG or even a solid 5 minutes candle close, like you can see clearly that FVG on the 4-hour, we've not had the same candle close. It's only been trending upwards since then. And one thing that you know about gold, you do never go against the trend, right? Price is gearing up there to break structure. So if this breaks, I'll only wait for a retest and fucking buy from there, yeah? What's the break gonna look like? It might be a fake out break or an actual break. So like you really feel like one thing I always tell people when I'm teaching them, you do not have to predict the market, you only react to it. Watch what the market does and react accordingly. No predictions, no forecasting, like we know what we're doing here. We're only gonna watch the chart with our fucking eyes and go accordingly. Here. This is basically timing for it, yeah. We've had the first 15 minutes candle spiked up, material FVG. That 15 minutes FVG here, like here. Let's say, where's my fucking? Can't find it. Crazy. This FVG on this 15 minutes candle, you can see clearly. That's 15 minutes FVG. When I was in my scalping days, I probably would want to run into this trade. Once I see that 15 minutes FVG, once it was 13 o'clock, price backed up. It mattered every day last time. Now it's creating an FPI. Obviously, an actual dump is coming. So what I'm going to look for to do is wait for an actual retest to get him. So if this happens to break, whereby this last 10 minutes candle closes below this EMA you're seeing here. Oh my God, I'm giving my signal, my strategy for free. Closing below this EMA you're seeing here, we get a fine retest back to this level, which is still the same level I'm looking to see price sell above from. I'm going to fucking look for liquidities around 406. Because this whole area you see here, this area, this entire area. In fact, I will call this a free fall. Anything below this level, we're gonna have a free fall. That's what I mean. Like this whole entire space is basically free. You can see happen several times. Like here, when it was ranging up where it had this entire space, we have a fucking free space here also. So if I see a candle close below that zone, I'll wait for a retest and enter. But overall, my bias remains the buy. I know we have a CME gap below there looking to actually get price back to cover that gap and have a continuation. But I mean, we've gone over 1,200 pips above from that IED breakout. So I mean, it's only right we just keep going and probably see that CME gap sometime next month. So back to my P analysis here. We are like 10 minutes left, and I'm seeing a very nice 5-minute candle engulfing. I want to see that 5-minute candle probably close slightly above here. 73 area. You have 3 minutes to go. Once that happens, this is my signal basically. Still and still. It's NFP again. They don't really tell you. We have a whole imbalance below this level. So if you want to be nice with it, no with the risking. You go this kind of, you know, you only you work out come. My ideal entry should be somewhere around here, 68, 69 on the trend, just 69. I said that also on Snapchat. If you're following the account, I usually give analysis why it's that here. You must not be told everything. The 4-hour candle has been injecting that particular imbalance. Price already tapped into the discount so many times, and it's gonna go fucking deliver to the premium. 1 second, I'm just gonna get my coffee. 1 minute. Gonna get my coffee real quick. No. Good. Sorry if I wasted some time. Have to just grab myself a little bit of coffee and see how that goes. So yeah, this is me doing my analysis live with you guys. I already gave this signal already on the VIP live time for those of you that are in there. 30 days to miss my NFP prediction for the day. 5 minutes candle close. Pretty nice, but I wanted to close. So yeah, this remains my NFP prediction. We might see some very, very, very crazy ass spikes. So be pretty much careful though. Provided you know the fuck what you're doing, you're gonna be good. Just be careful. So yeah. My people, nice to meet you guys. Hello, 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 hello. is I'm gonna keep in the cap on. So yeah, give you the signal. The analysis pretty wise is why I get the analysis there already. So entry 68. If you're in, you're in. If you're locked in, you're locked in. If you're not locked in, I'm sorry about that. I'm giving you guys an experience where it feels like trading with me live. But yeah, I feel we hit the sell. Okay. The liquidity I'm targeting is 4,500. Price stays that out. The next one is 508, and the next one is 525, and after that is 544 or 538 of which. But yeah, if you want to know more about zoning when it comes to gold, you can actually join the mentorship class. No, or the answer if you want to get a much more brighter talk about it, because that's what I be doing, not what they might teach you. So yeah. This shouldn't be a problem, is it? Don't think it's gonna be. So probably wait for. Let me see how this 5 minutes candle close. I'll probably make myself a bit smaller. Yeah. Well, that far FVG kept rejecting. We're back above the trend line again. My entries is still the same. The exact same trend is where my entry have always been since last night. So yeah. If I was swing trading, this is like enough of space for me to actually chill out. Be like, okay, fine. I can actually wait. Wait the whole of yesterday for the trade to play out, because he only went back to like 64, rejected back into the same trend again. So it was, I mean, price has been raging obviously because it wants to spike up, today being NFP. And we have NFP walk in about 3 minutes left. It's going to be a crazy one. Stop runs flying here and there. Personally, I'm not in this trade right now, but I'm looking to see what NFP is going to do. It might be very, very decisive rather than indecisive, whereby it has confirmed buys on this trend line, whereby once it's 130, the next 2 minutes, you see a crazy above 88 level. Once price gets above that 88 level, it's only going to retest like 77, and you could take buys. If he's weekend, just dive into the pre-4. But having looking where things are looking and where price is, we are above the trend. We didn't break the trend well enough actually to sell. All my 5 minutes candle didn't have an actual close below that trend line. There was a what do you call it? Or this candle that came above, giving that new VG that's testing now. Price is gonna spike up in the next 1 minute and 15 seconds. I'm contemplating if I should just get one of these buys right now or actually wait. Okay. 1 minute left. Watch that motherfucking trend line. Seconds left. Risk cam. One more. 12 seconds to go. Price at 71. Let's do this. ZAR USD. Okay, ready when you guys are. Let's fucking go. It's 9:30. I'm not seeing any fucking spike. What's going on? Pull back into the trend line. Nice. 64. Oh, crazy. Ooh. 59. Reject. Nicely. Reject. Look at me. It is going now at 68. Hopefully, let this be a stop run. I'm already in though. that first spike is always coming for your stop. So wherever you keep it, wherever. So if this 5 minutes candle finds its way to close below that trend line, it's done. But if it doesn't, my analysis is fucking right. 4-hour FVG rejects again on the 30 minutes time frame, so it's only right. Okay, I'm in at 68. I hope you guys are also in. You can buy right now. Buy ZAR USD now. Analysis is always the same since yesterday. Let's see price do the magic. It's NFP, baby. Let's fucking go. That's right. That's right. That is fucking right. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. 79. ZAR USD running 100 pips already. You could actually break even in an entry if you want. This NFT might take you out in seconds, but yeah, just if you're scared of what you're doing, feel free to actually put yourself, actually move your stuff from where you kept it or where it's meant to be. Let's fly, babe. Please, let's fly. If I see this 1 minute candle not closing above all the highs, I'm gonna have problem with it. Boom, let's go. 100 pips. How is it going on your end? I'm up for 4K USD, bro. I'm pretty much getting funded next week, bro. I'm not doing too much. ZAR USD running 120 pips. Show me your sniper entry and I'll show you this, bro. ZAR USD out running about 200 pips already in profit. What's your entry looking like? This is mine, though. Yeah, now we got 88 already. It's rejecting. You have to get it here. I just call it 180 pips running. So that's the second zone we're already at now. Surprise rejecting that zone. I expect that zone to actually hold a little bit, if not too much, spike above it. We test that zone from below and boom. The first, I mean, I drew this earlier on, yeah, whereby price spikes down above, we test and fuck off. This is basically how this shit is done. I can do it behind the doors, I can do it live, I can do it how you guys want me to do it for you guys. I'm gonna do it because this is what I fucking do. As easy as it seems. Whoever is looking for sales should go to the fucking market. Value is what did 140 pips. Hope you broke even already, or you're not feeling too safe. You can close 100 pips already because, like I told you, that zone you see there, that's this one here. A minute. This particular zone I actually mapped out here. See, this is the previous rejection we had here also, but I want to see this candle probably close somewhere around here, 93-ish. It has 20 seconds to go. Somewhere around, just maybe even not quite above it here. Then we test it from below with the 5 minutes candle, probably into 77 even. Then probably fuck off from this fucking zone and head to 92,500. That is the fucking bias. Yeah, 5 minutes and it's above the what do you call it, the zone. Perfect close, 87, 200 pips closure, perfect. The next one comes down into 77, probably like 72, and say fuck off. That's what I want to see. A quick dump into 77 to 73 area. Stacked up. More faster, what do you want to tell me? I can allow you to speak. Is everyone in profit, please? Is everybody in profit? That's the question. Did you get in at the same time as me, or were you asking questions? Jeffrey, what you want tell me? You wait talk say you did good by yourself. You did here. Jeffrey, you can speak. Look for price actually come back into 77 area. That's another nice buy opportunity you can look for there. Price into 77, 78 weeks out, and I think that is it. Like that's gonna be the end of that zone for today. I feel like the daily candle wants to close around 508, 510, or 520 something, depending on how long this daily candle wants to actually spike up. But yeah, we already got 200 pips. I didn't close share. Just look even my entry, which is 70, 100% away right now. I'm looking for price to fall back to 77, which is already there. Yeah, something like that. Exactly. Price falls back into that place. Confirm. That's something about gold. If you're trading gold for a very long time, because I feel like gold likes to retest certain zones before it actually spikes to the next level. And these zones, you have to actually be very, very smart to actually understand them, see them, backtest them, and actually see it happen so many times. So when you see them happen like that here, you already can predict what you want to see in the market. And when you see that here, you go with it. Because price is always going to repeat itself. They call it price action for a reason. It's going to keep repeating itself every fucking time, doing the same exact thing, just to see it. So yeah, price plus 77 weeks out above the zone again, and that is going to be the end of that fucking zone. It's going to just 92. That's what I want to see. So if I probably miss the first entry at the first at 68.70 area, I'm going to look for a new entry somewhere around where it is right now. That's 77. I told you. Probably have a buy limit set there, 78 earlier on. It taps me in, and I'm already running about what 100 pips already. That's how the game works. Now watch price spike to 92, 93 because 77 has rejected perfectly high, so he's going to reject. You see price 92, 98 even. Probably start heading for 500 immediately. That is the game. You want to learn this the way I have it? You go sit down, bend down, look chart like tomorrow. No, there's only the guy man matter. So you go sit down, look charts. These you don't want to trade, just stay at the chart, bro. For understand it. Let's go, bro. That's it. Price is gone. Let's fucking go. Are you still fucking holding? They already say they hold you like this. Simple as that, bro. If this were to be like a normal trading day, I'm probably done trading for today because 200 pips is very, very, very okay. That's about 20 points TP. Like it's very, very okay. If there isn't one lot, you don't make 2K. If there isn't 0.1, so around there in the black 0.5, you don't make 1K dollars type shit. So the greed is not gonna be there too much. 200 pips is a whole lot of money for you to print daily. If you print that kind of amount every day, do it for a week, you know where you're gonna be type shit. I'm waiting for that spike to 95, bro. Probably we're gonna have a 10 minutes retest to that same 88 zone again because it's not giving ready yet. On the next 10 minutes comes out in the next 1 minute to see what it's gonna do. Once that comes out, if I see another retest to like 84-ish, still good. But where the price is now, I don't think it's ever gonna down from that level anymore because it's gone. Perfecto. I'm up 10 bands on this evaluation account. You can see clearly. And that's how, 90, clearly 11,200. 12K bands right now. I might just fucking close like I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro. I actually go, I want it. So, yeah. 10 minutes candle, retest. I expected that. See that happen. Good. Because 88, I'm probably fuck off, bro. And that should be it. And that's how you do this shit, bro. That's how you fucking do this shit. That's how it's done. Nothing more, nothing less. I love how the 15 minutes candle did everything I expected it to do. Weak down into that EMA at 57 without even hitting the stop, like I told you, and run away. That's clearly how many pips from, if actually we're targeting stop loss entries around 57-ish here. I gave this analysis on Snapchat for free. Basically for free. Like if you're actually a trader that actually knows how to read the chart, I tell you what to do already. The complex was already there. The buyers were actually confirmed since yesterday. It was just not ready to give up till it was time for NFP, and this is what it wants to do. And for you to actually range sideways but if you check the 2-hour candle even, you can check each candle on this level is 2 hours. So if you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about for the past 12 hours, price has been ranging. Check the 1 hour, the same thing, sideways movement. It's been trending, but if you pay close attention, that's been trending upwards also. And yeah, this was the last sale we caught, the last Asian low. And boom. If you ask me, I'm trading an EVA account and I don't want to be too greedy. I already lost about what? 120 pips for my profit. Well, we'll just fucking hold it till I get to TP because I'm already protected. Stops at entry already. That's what you need to be doing. Make sure you protect your money past anything because capital protection over your excitement. You need to see your money stay there for another trade than just to see what that particular money was on that day. Okay? Look forward to the longevity. Delay gravitation is right at the point on my board. I always remind myself that you have to grow your shit. Slow gravitation is better than fast trades, fast results. Yeah, it might sound like I want to make money quickly, but inside there, well, the faster you want to make money, the more you lose it even. So, quick advice there: learn to actually grow your shit. If you have 2K right now, your plan should be what would the week look like? If the daily outcome, the daily P&L is actually busting your head every day, you might just as well keep losing that 1K every time you deposit, right? Look at the longevity part of it. Like if I have 1K USD and I can make, let's say, 500 a day, in a week, you can do the math. 5 times 5, you can 2.5. Your capital inclusive is about what? 3,500, almost 4K USD in a week. If you draw that entire money and go again next week, in 2 weeks, you'll probably be up 5K. It sounds like, about 2 weeks. Bro, if you don't pay attention, if you don't do that, yeah, you'll be broke in that remainder of that 2 weeks. Like you'll be wishing you actually even say I know I could just even wait. That one regret. I don't know one pick, I won't do anything. So it's much more reasonable if you actually just pay attention. Hold yourself from doing mumu trade. Bottom is not a signal. If you did board, you go enter chart, begin to look where price they go, where can they go up. It's not a signal, bro. If you have your board, go outside, go and do something. Like a column. Do something outside of the chat, bro. Make sure you're not really so fixed on this fucking shit that whereby you just want to see money counting. Like it's like we men really like dopamine so much. The fact that we actually can stay on this fucking chart every fucking day because why? You can make money off this shit. This is not. But inside there, it's actually very smart. You have to like treat this shit like a business. Come to it every fucking day. Prepare your mind because you can learn anything you want to learn when it comes to trading. And when you actually start trading by yourself, you understand that emotions actually play a very huge part when it comes to trading. You know, you can't be too emotional when you're trading. Probably one fucking revenge should take you back to square one. I've been there a lot of times where I can actually turn probably 20, 50K to like over 100 and something K, and I just lose like 30K from there. So I need to calm down. I don't carry 50 or push that 30K back. I don't lose that 30K again. I have the best clear. So this is how the game works. Mentally strong. We have like 15 minutes to that 2 o'clock opening. The last 15 minutes candle, where did it close? Let me see. Clear. Above that trend. Perfecto. So I want to see. If we have this 15 minutes candle fall back into 77, it's not bad. It's going to weak out. For that first 15 minutes candle to close above that zone, like I told you, 5 minutes did it, 10 minutes did it, 15 minutes did it. Check the 5 minutes candle, we're above the zone also. You see that right there? Check even your 1 minute candle, you see like one candle close above that zone. You see? That's the zoning part that comes with gold. Yeah. There's a reason I have that zone above that level. I want to see that price play around that zone a little bit, train that is respected. Then from there, they fuck off. You're not going to see me again, and it means it. There's the moment this price spikes up from that level, see, you can see the line at which that zone is here is where it's actually reacting from. On the 1 minute time frame, you can see that little trend line is actually creating already, telling you that okay, time from here, I don't move. That trend is around here, from here to here. This bottom right here to that upside. If this happens, whereby price falls back to 71, it's never gonna go again. Now it's below this fucking zone. You might just retest this trend and boom. But the way it's looking right now, have a 1 minute candle close above that zone, 5 minutes candle close above that zone, 15 minutes close above the zone, 10 minutes above the zone. These are 4 time frames I actually look at when I'm trading gold. So when I see this confirmation on those time frames, I'm like, oh fuck it, I'm going in, right? So yeah, inside there, that's what I'm looking for. Price to respect that entire zone that is above right now, play there for a few minutes, probably before 14 o'clock, and then say, let's fucking go. It flies, right? Exactly. I just want to see somewhere around here, bro. If it doesn't even come to 81, we already had those confirmation on the lower time frame. If that 15 minutes candle closes above the zone and the next 15 minutes respect the zone won't even fall into it. That one right there, this one. I feel like that's a candle that might take us to even TP, bro. I'm telling you, no joke. My ideal TP on this trade is 500. Yeah, I'm only just giving the ones I have in mind. Because if you zoom out on the 30 minutes time frame, you see the liquidity I'm actually targeting around there. Exactly. This. These are the liquidity. I'm probably looking for a much more higher retest, like type shit. Yeah. And that's gonna be it. But regardless, beautiful trade. Can't lie. It was a very wonderful one. We took the trade, you probably up in profit already. You could close if you want to close, if you're not actually in for the long run. If you're in for the long run, why not? Ideal TPs take out 500 and it's going to take it out. That's the liquidity I'm actually falling for. Price fades from that level, take out the liquidity, then yeah, it might even go way higher. I'm sure it's going to go way higher. My target is actually 520, but let's look at ideal liquidities. FVG for liquidity is how you actually execute the trade. Look, once that liquidity is taken out, you don't do. You understand? You don't do. You even see 99, 98, you close. Boom. You understand? There's no much with that tip. Sometimes if you want you, because you know, saying that they wait for make it read that 98 now, fall back go 81, or everybody will code, get that kind of shit. But yeah, that is NFP for me, bro. I forgot to update. I think we got to 90. What's this? 92. What was that? The first TP though? 93. It's close to TP1. But 92 is the next zone entry though. That's why you see that rejection there. You guys need to come learn about zones. You need it. You need to learn about zones when it comes to gold, because that's the core thing when trading gold. Because once you just know those fucking zones, like it's a done deal, bro. You're not really gonna be stressed about shit. But you need to wait for them is to fucking retest and you get in. Simple as that. Oh, beautiful trade again. Another 80 retest. 15 minutes candle doing the Lord's work. That's what I want to see. Like I want that candle to actually fall in between that FVG. Exactly, bro. Perfecto. You see how it closed above the zone? Use that zone now as a new imbalance. It's already gonna tap there. Fuck off. People that actually do the BR like breakout and a retest. That's like a nice entry at the retest type shit. But instead of waiting for the breakout, we actually took the trade from just basic analysis, and that was it. This is everyone in profit. Is everyone doing good with the trades? Like I said, you could close when it was at 87, 88. That's 200 pips. Don't need to fight for the entire shit. It's NFP. Do not forget that. So I'm going to see how this 30 minutes candle plans to close. If this 30 minutes candle rejects this entire level and doesn't close above that zone like other lower time frames did, I'll have a side eye for the trade. No jokes. But I want that 30 minutes candle to close exactly the way that 30 minutes candle closed. Like, if not exactly, but at least above that level is below now. Like, it's at 79 right now. I want it to close around 88, 85 level. If that happens, then this is going to be a banger trade, because the next 14 o'clock opening I want to see a crazy spike. That's why I'm still here, actually. That is why I'm still fucking here. Chat here. What do you want to tell me? You're allowed to speak. If you have any questions, if you have any fucking appreciation, feel free to say it. Miss B. Okay, you're allowed to speak. I'll see a few of you guys want to actually speak. If you want to speak, just click on the button for you and I'll let you speak.
Big bro, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Tell me.
Yeah, big bro. So this week on the gold trade, which day will you call the turning points? Because I usually look at the gold like Tuesday is the turning point, but
Tuesdays are turning point actually. Yeah, nice one. Wednesdays actually for me. Wednesdays are turning points. Like you can see clearly after that Asian low was flipped. That was a turning point, bro. Wrong here.
because
So
so
look at
Wednesday as a turning point.
this low was created on Wednesday. Then on Thursday we have to sweep the low and we had a very nice buys from that level. So let's say because of NFP there was a bit of gear up on the market, so that's why you didn't see a full turning point like that.
Okay. Well, if Tuesday should be the turning point, this order, which is the Tuesday high that you marked out.
Wednesdays are a turning point. Tuesdays are a turning point.
Okay.
Tuesday, but for me, I don't think Tuesday is a turning point on gold. I actually start trading on Tuesday sometimes. So Tuesday is a turning point for me. Like an actual turning point for gold is Wednesdays. I have someone in my lifetime. He only likes to trade on Thursdays because that's where you catch the best moves. That's free gem. People actually don't trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Just wait for Thursdays on gold and just catch gold 400 pips and you're good. On Thursday, you must see gold minimum buys 400 pips. Take a look from here. This was 12 o'clock, 1:30 that day. Price spiked above here. 50 minutes candle. FVG. Check if you calculate the P from here. Where is that shit again? I'm looking at from here to the ranging points around here. About 600 pips, bro. That was, and it happens almost every Thursday. Almost every Thursday. So come ask me a question. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm listening to what you were saying.
Yeah, so Thursdays for me are actual trading days. Wednesdays are turning points. Monday, Tuesday, Monday can be very choppy. Some days is actually very nice. But Tuesdays, very good day. 200 pips. It gives you 200 pips. Takes it back immediately. You take around here. It's gonna be like on a Tuesday. I'm pretty sure. Exactly. Price is gonna buy up. Next day, and it takes it back immediately. This is Wednesday even. See this buy up here. This was probably like, yeah. And this was the trade we took on Tuesday. Price gave us a full TP, and next thing, and now a new 30 minutes candle, we go back to entry. Take it back where he made it immediately. So that's what we can actually see when it comes to trading gold. This is me giving you free gems. I shouldn't even be giving you, but yeah, that's what it is. No. Okay. 30 minutes candle is about to close and it's closing just where I want it to close. Yeah, you have a few ticks more. I want it to close above 85, like I said. I don't want this to be too lengthy because I'm going to post it on YouTube. Quick, already the very nice 200 pips quickly, but I'm quite a greedy. I want to see a full TP hit because I expected the NFP to be much stronger, bro. It's the first NFP of the fucking year. So I expected, like, you know, a few of the new releases actually like affect the market very well, but it's not doing as I wanted to do. 4-hour candle has one more hour left. I don't believe that the next 4 minutes, once that opens, it's to fucking fly. Exactly. 1 hour closes in 3 minutes. Be active. Watch 30 minutes candle close just above that zone. Like I told you, just like how the 15 minutes candle closed. Watch the 15 minutes candle, how it closed very nicely above that zone. If this candle right here closes, let's say 86, 85, even like this is good. Inside the zone, just so buy is not below the zone. So buy is not below this level, 78 or even lower than this, we're good. Price above 88, 86, 85, and yeah, 2 minutes to go. And the next candle that comes out from there is gonna form another FPR. Oh shit, this is got to go. Hello, Cindy.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, can I call you back? I'm currently in a live video.
In what? Sorry.
Can I call you back in like let's see 40 minutes? I'm currently streaming right now.
Oh, okay, sorry, I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 1 minute left to go. Now inside the zone 81. Inside the zone. I think 14 o'clock has something in stock, maybe. I feel like 10 seconds to go. Go back in 5 minutes. Are we gonna leave the zone or gonna stay inside of the zone? We have like what? 1 minute left. Like I said, I feel like that next 1 hour candle has something in stock. But if we close below this level on a 1 hour time frame, I'm not comfortable with the trade like that. I would see it as a rejection, like every other one did here. This one you see here, I would see this one like that. If it falls back below this level and closes below, how you see the spike here, sell off. But I want to see this close inside here, probably spike above and close here. But we have like 50 seconds left. Can they do it? Or will it stay inside the zone? We can only see by what? 10 seconds to go. I'm going to have to stay inside of the zone. Okay. 10 seconds to go inside the zone. 80. Okay. 20 seconds more. 14 o'clock. Can you do a fucking test and fucking fly? 15 seconds to go. Five seconds to go. Still inside the zone. I like that. Good. Let's fucking fly. It's inside the zone. So 14 o'clock. What's the volume looking like? Let me see. Ah no, you're dumb, bro. From here, it's only the only way is up, bro. I feel like that 2 o'clock candle had something in stock. Very simple retest. I think I drew this earlier in the chart, and I'm just gonna look for it again and probably clip it. I'm sure I drew this for you guys earlier. Did I? I'm pretty sure I drew this. I'm very sure. I'll look for you when I'm looking at the video streams again. I called it out, and yeah, I think that's what I'm actually gonna do. 5 minutes into it, and I think we're gonna fly now. 1 minute candle just close about 85 again. Bullseye. Like that's what I want to see. I'm comfortable. That's what I'm just gonna again. This is the T for talk. Next, then this kind of define is 90, but like that's not enough. Right? You should just that's it. It's out here. That's the 89. If you want to keep some options open, break even up, but it's anything, bro. Today is the opportunity. So if you drop lots with it, you must sleep it. That's I mean, finish. Step outside, bro. Go drink some matcha. Go chill. Touch some fucking grass. If you don't have a hobby, find one. Don't get too attached to the stage because it's like that kind of day where you know they're good for you, but once you want the fire and based on, but no worry, we'll teach you lesson you don't want to learn. But inside there, trading is sweet, bro. Not even want to tell me. Trading is sweet, simple. But some days it's gonna teach you a lesson. If we had a break below this level, bro, like you see this entire space, nah, it's gonna chop it in seconds. If we had a fucking break from, let's see here, it's 59.44, bro, fuck it, bro, like it's done. That gap, probably we're gonna get filled up today, even. Like today, bro, it's not gonna wait for you. Look at this. Let's do this first. Then start going. So and 5 minutes is about just believe now. Yeah, much more higher. I stop was in 80, bro. I don't know take that just to present this fucking trade. That's it. Even if he doesn't go my way now, I need to fall back to 78, 79 area. I'm gonna take 100 pips and fucking go. I'm using like over 6 slots, so I'm pretty okay, bro. Be like 700 the money come outside today. Still have a lot of money to make. No. Who go put it before there? What the fuck? I don't go put it before for nonsense, please. Confirm. If this doesn't get to where I want before 4:40, the next 35 minutes, I think this live is already getting too long. Really got a very, very nice 200 pips close. Anything below here, I'm gonna run. Oh, close my break even, bro. Could this be fixing me out, yeah? I'm gonna fucking laugh. I have one trade that's gonna close right now. And with that close, I'm okay, bro. See you guys Monday. Oh. Is this a lucky day for me or not? FVG. Spike. I'm sure US start is doing the Lord's work now. Oh, but look at that sell off on US start, bro. What the fuck? Oh, that's a lie. Am I that lucky? If you go back above that zone, then I'm very lucky, bro. That's crazy. This is like just one tick away from my SL and it went back above 60 pips. Like literally just one tick away from the SL, bro. I was fine walking away with the break even day, although I had one position left. Oh, fuck, that's very nice. Yeah, this is pure luck. I don't know how that happened, but yeah, I like it. Okay, we had a 5 minutes candle close above 85. So I'll look for the 10 minutes candle to close there also. Yeah, I'll use 10 minutes as an FVG instead of 5. Let's see. Give me that. Oh, really? Whoa, really? 1 minute candle, last one. Oh, some beauty. Oh, the beauty. Oh, no. Wasn't that I pray for days, I wait for days, I pray for days, I hope my goal, I hope my thing. 10 minutes candle above 85, I just want to see. 15 seconds left. 55, yeah. 5 seconds left. This is me exposing my style of trading. Exactly. 10 minutes above there. Make sure you clear your TP now. Enjoy your fucking TV, guys. Watch price action play right in front of you. Let's head to 95, 96 right away. No, bro. One of the best, you need to watch his eyes. If you check the 10 minutes, this is not fully paid, but yeah, if you check the 5 minutes, you see an FVG out looking out there. Exactly. 90, 95, next TP, bro. Perfect. Ooh, I want to see a spike, bro. What are you fucking doing, bro? Price action is price action. Fucking spike up, bro. You dumb. Come on, let's go. It's price action, baby. It's simple price action. I can't even explain it to you. It's simple price action, baby. Fucking go. Let's fucking go, bro. I'm closing 500, bro. I told you guys. TP1 fucking hit. That's a fucking 220 piece profit, bro. I'm going to tell you guys about that. 90, bro. Play with me at your own fucking risk, nigga. No, I'm not your fucking mentors, bro. Just fucking know this in no case. Everything's lost. I think I'm feeling good here. I can't lie, bro. I feel like closing right now. Whenever I have this feeling, I want to close. When I go in the butt. 93. Bro, I'm just telling you, I just have 2 more trading days to go into the account and I'm funded. So the profit is not my problem. Just to see this play out. I'm already up good, you know. I'm pretty up much good here. I'll show you the entry, the exact entry I caught for you guys. And it's already at 96. So if you ask me, you can do the same. I'm fucking done. For the fucking week, the next week. That's why you catch a 300 piece trade in less than, let's say, an hour ish. I came here at 1:30, and this is like 35 minutes ish. So yeah, but you guys waiting for TP2 is gonna come. That's like 5 over here. It's like 100 people here. Yeah. I already closed that. Where? Jeez. If you're still holding, I don't know about you, but yeah. Did everyone make profit, please? How did you see the live? Do you guys make profit? Do you understand the analysis? I hope you guys did, because I mean, it's a very simple trade. We did it live. We didn't have to do behind one's back. The analysis, the entry, the execution. We saw the reaction on the levels we were looking for. Perfect trade, nothing more, nothing less. We had our TP2 smashed with extra 50% on top. So I had to close because I knew this was coming. I don't want to see it happen to me. So yeah, good. If you didn't close, maybe you could have your diamond hands and wait till you get to the higher frame. But yeah, I'm good right here. I already took the left around 100 pips away. So yeah, thanks for fucking with the fucking brand. It's FleFX, your boy Captain Panache. You know how we do this shit. Easy, done, over, and out. Any question for me, please? I have to fucking go with my family. I can't spend all day on the fucking chart. Any question for me? No question?
Thank you so much, Big Bro. Really appreciate it.
Okay, good. That's what I want to hear.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You don't close, probably. I'm really happy now. Let me speak. What they not close? Maybe say you can't trade the good is speak English. Exit. That's what it's called. So yeah, thank you guys for working with the brand. See you guys in. If you're looking to join the free mentorship program, that's gonna be going on soon. I already gave you guys steps on how to do. I see a little wants to talk now. Okay, I'll let you guys talk real quick. Let me just quickly stop recording so that it's not doesn't get too lengthy. Oh, fuck, they're done an hour.